ever wondered how many common plants around us hold medicinal properties? The world of medicinal plants is fascinating, teeming with natural solutions that can enhance our well-being. The beauty is, many of these plants can be grown right at home. Today we'll explore 5 medicinal plants that you can easily grow in your own garden. First up, we have aloe vera, a plant as beneficial as it is beautiful. Known for its healing properties, aloe vera soothes burns, aids digestion, and promotes skin health. To grow, it simply needs well-drained soil and sunlight. Aloe vera, truly a natural medicine chest. Next on our list is chamomile, the calming superstar. Known for its soothing properties, chamomile aids in sleep and digestion. It's simple to grow, requiring only full sun and well-drained soil. Chamomile, your personal stress reliever. Coming up next is peppermint, a refreshing remedy. Known for its invigorating aroma, peppermint aids digestion and soothes headaches. Easy to grow, it thrives in moist, shaded areas. Just remember to contain its spread. Peppermint, a refreshing addition to your garden. A fourth on our list is echinacea, the immune booster. Known for its vibrant flowers, this plant is a powerhouse when it comes to strengthening the immune system. Easily grown in well-drained soil, it's a must-have in your medicinal garden. Echinacea, your shield against common ailments. Last but not least, we have lavender, the sleep enhancer. Known for its calming properties, lavender can be used to create a soothing atmosphere. Easy to grow, it thrives in sunny, well-drained areas. Lavender, your ticket to peaceful slumbers. These are just a few examples of the medicinal plants you can grow in your own garden. Aloe vera, chamomile, peppermint, echinacea, and lavender not only add beauty, but also contribute to your health and well-being. It's surprisingly easy to cultivate these natural powerhouses at home. Remember, nature offers us an abundance of remedies right at our fingertips. So, why not give these a go? And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Stay green and healthy!